This is a dedicated and innovative enterprise. This is a persistent and progressive team of excellence. All the way to transformation, gather the unceasing power of the iron fist. All the way to development, continue the symphony of dreaming. The factory was established in the weeds. Now covers an area of 70 acres of modern enterprises. From the simple products to meet the production needs, to develop 2 major types in 7 series, more than 100 kinds of personalized products at present. From the initial solo to the current strong combination. More than 50 years, half a century, Hualu relocated site for 3 times, growing. Generations of Hualu people to tell the story of the development of one after another, creating a legend of the industry one after another. In the year 2018, on the occasion of the 50th birthday of Hualu, with China's top 500 enterprises, Shiheng Special Steel Group Company Limited and Shanghai Tianji Metallurgical Engineering Technology Company Limited strong combination completed the capital increase and expansion of share, determined the development strategy of intelligent metal forming equipment and high-end metallurgical equipment. Walk on 2 legs. Once again, with the original intention of high-end forming, equipped with China, shouted out the responsibility and mission of private enterprises in the new era. On April 26, 2017, China's first independently built aircraft carrier was launched from the dock. On May 5, 2017, China's independently developed jetliner C919 successfully completed its first trip to the blue sky. In just 10 days, China's independent innovation achievements were launched into the sea and sky, one after another. And the country rejoiced and attracted the attention of all people. Nearly 1,000 Hualu employees were even more excited and joyful because in the manufacturing process of the aircraft carrier and aircraft all used the high-end equipment developed by Hualu. The advanced equipment for the country needs to pay for craftsmanship. Equipments produced by Hualu. The technologies reached the international advanced level, breaking the foreign monopoly, filled the gaps in the domestic market, leading the industry development. A single flower does not make a spring. At present, Hualu has 2 types of metal forming equipment and metallurgical equipment, 7 series of products, mainly used in shipbuilding, military equipment, marine equipment, nuclear power, wind power, aerospace, famous steel mills and other national key industries. Hualu developed a large-scale CNC ship plate rolling machine, break the monopoly of European and American technology. After Switzerland and the United Kingdom, China has become the 3rd country which can manufacture this equipment. High-strength plates, explosive composites, non-ferrous metals, and other special leveling machines become the industry benchmark. Series products of plate leveling machine and plate rolling machine together become the postcard of Hualu. Leap into the domestic leading brand. Some products reach the world's largest specifications, international advanced level. Many of them are the first sets in China. Hualu has nearly 50,000 square meters of heavy manufacturing workshop, the maximum lifting capacity of 300 tons, more than 200 sets of various types of precision machining equipment, fully meet the needs of various types of product production and installation, perfect quality control system and testing methods. Ensure that the product precision and quality is highly controllable, meet the diversified needs of users. Hualu invests at least 6% of annual sales revenue in research and development and has borne fruit. Hualu has obtained 160 national patents, 10 computer software copyrights, drafted 30 national standards and industry standards. Hualu has undertaken 8 national science and technology innovation projects, more than 70 provincial projects. The strong R&D capability, innovation ability, and complete innovation system set up a model of advanced equipment for the country. National Torch Key High-Tech Enterprise, China Industry University Research Cooperation Innovation Achievement Award, China Industry University Research Cooperation Award for Civil Military Integration. Every honor records the history of Hualu precision in workmanship. Rise the chapter of Hualu innovation and breakthrough. A time would come to ride the wind and cleave the waves. I'll set my cloud-like sail to cross the sea which raves. Hualu people in the new era adhere to the enterprise spirit of no excuses, striving for the first class. The business philosophy of integrity-based create a win-win situation. Once again, blow the horn of the transformation and upgrading and intelligent manufacturing. Hualu of New Era is ready to go. Metal forming equipment and metallurgical equipment to go hand in hand to the model of advanced equipment for the country. The benchmark of the national industry. March on!